Hi, my name is Jenny Thacker. I'm running for the House of Delegates, District 100. I'm standing here in front of Shepherdstown Elementary School. It's a brand new school. We're expanding the schools in our county. But that's not the focus of this talk. The focus of this talk is what happens to students. And we have a problem in this state that we have more neglected and abused children than most states. We have more kids in foster care than any other state. We also have a rule now that if anybody wants to take their child out of school and be given Hope Scholarship money so that they can pay for raising their child without taking that away from school funds, they can use that money and raise their child, and they don't have any waiting time. Now, in 2018, there was a young woman, a little girl actually, and her name was Raylee, and she died because her parents took her out of school and there was nobody watching her. When she was in school, the reason the parents took her out was because there were a lot of CPS complaints, Child Protective Service complaints against them. And they said, okay, well, we'll take the child out of school. And now no teachers are watching. Nobody's watching. Nobody's caring. And we tried to pass a law. Democrats of West Virginia tried to pass this law. And all the delegates in the Eastern Panhandle voted against it. But what the law, called Raylees Law, was supposed to do was say, if you have CPS complaints, Child Protective Service complaints against you, you cannot take your child out of public school, out of the public eye for 10 days while they justify whether or not those complaints are real. It wasn't a law that said you can't homeschool your kids. Everybody can homeschool their kids if they want to. Everybody can access the Hope Scholarship money. But the delegates of this area of the Eastern Panhandle all voted to say that you can take your child out immediately if you have Child Protective Services on your case and you don't want Child Protective Services to be able to complain about you anymore. This girl died. She died a horrible death of sepsis because she was drinking toilet water. We don't want that happening in our county. We want laws that protect our children. If you want laws that protect your children and the children of the other people in this state, vote for Jenny Thacker, District 100.